you may be noticing frequent breakdowns in certain machines or repeated breakdowns in certain machines, or sometimes in spite of you doing everything for your employees are not getting motivated. Either they are falling more sick or their absenteeism has increased, or sometimes at certain spots you have accident zones. The reason may lie in harmful radiations. So what are these radiations which are there in our environment which can play havoc to your productivity? A phenomena called geopathic stress. So if your machine is located on a geopathic stress zone, they may tend to have higher breakdowns. We have done more than 400-500 manufacturing units and have found that these could create higher accidents, these could create more breakdowns in those machines. Apart from this, there is a whole lot of electrosmog which are there when you are working in any factory or a plant. Imagine the amount of electrical radiation your body is subjected to. Many times you are very close to high tension wire line or outside mobile tower. These again are very critical for your health. At ENVIRONICS, we look at all kinds of radiations which are present in your manufacturing unit, be it geostress, be it natural energy flow, or be it electrosmog. There is a scientific instrument called Lecker antenna by which we can measure all kinds of electromagnetic radiations and energy flow in an environment. So if you want a survey done for your factory, our team will come with this instrumentation. They will measure where all geopathic stresses are. They will identify the machines where these geopathic stresses are cutting, and when we come with our survey plan and discuss with you, you will be able to find a lot of correlation with that. Similarly, we will also survey the electromagnetic energies which are there in your plot, in your building, and again wherever you are having concern, if it matches with the negative energy flow, then after we correct, those are the areas you will be able to see an improvement. Third, we will also look at the office, what kind of which people are impacted by what kind of radiation and how many people are impacted, what are the safe zone, what are not so safe zone, and give you an advice as to how to use your spaces more effectively to enhance the productivity, to enhance the profit of your organization and to enhance the growth of your company.